If you want to create rules in Gmail, then let us see how to do it. We will also see what will be the use of that rules. So let me open a website gmail.com. Then let me select my email address and then let me enter the password. After that, let me click on this settings icon here and click on this option see all settings. After that, click on this option filters and blocked addresses. Now if you want to create a rule, you have to click on this option create a new filter. So with the help of the filter, you will be able to create rules in Gmail. Now you can create filter in many ways. You can use email address to create a filter, or you can also select subject in order to create a filter. For example, if the subject is about suppose YouTube, then you can create a filter for all the emails that will have subject YouTube. Or you can also create filter by using the words that will be included in the email. If in the email there will be a word mentioned as Google, then all of the emails that have the word mentioned Google can be used to create filter. Or else you can select size, you can also select attachment, etc. So you can use many ways to create filter. For me, let me use Gmail address. For example, if I want to create a filter or create a rule for this Gmail address, I will select it. That means all of the emails that will be sent from this contact will be included in the filter or in the rule. After that, select create filter. Now you have the option what you want to do if you receive emails from that particular contact. You can archive that email directly without receiving it in inbox, or you can also make the email as mark as read. So you can do many of the things. You can also delete the email directly without reading, or else what you can do is you can also forward that email to different address. You can click on this option add forwarding address, and then you can click on this option add a forwarding address, so that the email that is received from that particular email address will be forwarded to the new email address. Now for me, what I will do is all the emails that I receive from that particular contact, I want to delete it. So I will select this option delete it and then create filter. So what I have done is, if I receive the emails from that particular contact, then it will be automatically deleted and I won't be able to see it in the inbox. So this is how you can create a filter in Gmail. And suppose if you want to delete that filter, what you can do is you can select it. This was the filter which I created, and then you can delete the filter and then OK.